नमस्कार, अभिषेक सुथार जी.
Hello.
Welcome to my factories. Your second, third weekly, your visit to my factory in the machine, vacuum machine. But I am meeting to the confirmation about this machine varieties and any doors and machine features. I want to me introduction, please me my
Uh,
factory.
so myself Abhishek Sutar. I'm basically from Pune, and I have gone through lots of door industry. We met Upesh Bhai and we saw that there are lots of varieties of machines are there. So, can you please take it? Yeah. So actually we came here just to get this vacuum membrane machine. But to be frank speaking, it's more than that. To be true. Okay. So actually this is a machine. Can you just turn around?
Hmm.
Actually, we have bought a 2 trolley machine, and here we are here to get the demo actually. And this is the sheet which we have also bought from the Upesh Bhai only.
Fabric.
Yeah,
Fabric
it's a
sheet.
fabric cloth sheet.
Hmm.
And we thought that there might be some bubbles in this sheet, but to be true, it's more than true.
Hmm.
And I think everybody should come here and get this demo as quick as you can, because this is something which is you cannot get anywhere in India. And I think if you are coming here, you will be really shocked, because this is not only just the fabric sheet, but if you see, we have done one more demo with the aluminum sheet, which is beside that. Might be I will show you that also. There are lots of thickness sheets are there in my market. And even though this is a fabric sheet, you can see there is a very fine finishing in this. You cannot see a single bubble which is get trapped here. And even though there are some texture difference, if you can see here, if Upesh Bhai can show, there is this small. This one was over the ply. But vacuum membrane did so good work that it is coming over this sheet. I think this will last so long, which you cannot imagine, because this one was, I think, it is in a micron. It's like moreover like a paper, not even though a formica. If it was a formica, this texture was not shown here. And I think it's really good work, Upesh Bhai.
Yes.
And if you want to ask something, like, we came here to buy the vacuum press machine, but we saw this technology and we thought to go with it, and we are really satisfied with this technology.
This is market requirement. Your some glossy, medium matte. This is the requirement about choiceable medium range. So this is the ये film skin texture about your experience.
Okay, so Upesh Bhai is saying that they manufactured this sheet as per the market requirement, because many of the customers are there in the market which needs the reasonable rate things. So this is a perfect thing for them.
Okay.
Okay, and if you buy this particular texture sheet, you can directly use it on the ply. There is nothing else is over there. It's just the simple plywood, door plywood, and we have applied some Fevicol over it, and this sheet is pasted over that.
Yes.
And then we have used this vacuum press machine to use this to get it vacuumized.
This is your first meeting. I am to the promise.
So
Yes, this machine requirement about this is the operation clarity.
Yeah, so actually last 2 months back we met first time to the Upesh Bhai, and that time we were in a confusion that this sort of thing will work or not. But after this requirement, we came here and we have given some small appreciation token actually to him to get the started with this machine. And after getting this machine finalized, we came here to get this, like, to get the demo. And if we are satisfied, only then we are about to purchase the machine. Yeah, but we are 100% sure that this will gonna work for our thing, and our business is definitely going to boost by this machine.
Thank you.
Okay, so thanks Upesh Bhai and his team.
Yes.
And really, it's a good work, guys.
Thank
It's
you.
really adorable thing.